Hello students, first of all good morning to all of you, and how are you? I hope you will be fine, right? So today we are going to start the poem. The poem is The Rebel. Okay. So we had already discussed about many poems, like uh, like what are the poems. Okay. So name is I think Shed. Okay, we had already completed. So welcome back. Today we are going to start the poem The Rebel. So do you know, students, do you know any person like this who always disagrees with you or your friends also, and or likes to do the opposite of what everyone thinks they should do? Do you know any person like this? So such a person is called rebel. What is the meaning of rebel? Rebel is that person who always disagrees you and who always fights with you. Okay, with you and with their country's rules also. Rebel, that a person that a person who always disagrees for the country's rule. Okay. So this poem is written by D.J. Enright. He is a poet and critic and a novelist also. Okay. So let's start the poem. You see in this poem the rebel. What are the meaning is rebel? You see in every line you have to see. Okay. And you can see in every line the meaning of rebel also. When everybody has short hair, okay. If anybody in a society has short hair, but what is the work of rebel? The rebel lets his hair grow long. It is opposite. If everybody has a short hair, then rebel has a grow long. Okay, this is always two opposite to you. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everybody in the society, anybody has a long hair and the rebel also has a short hair. When everybody talks during the lesson, when your teacher were teaching in your class, everybody has taken the interest during the lesson, but the rebel doesn't say a word. Okay. Because every student talks about the lesson, but rebel has to say no word. Okay. Then when nobody talks during the lesson, when anybody has a silence mode in your class, then the rebel creates a disturbance also. Okay. So understand what is the meaning of rebel. Rebel is that person who always disagrees in what they should do. Okay. So in the next line, when everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. If you are wearing a uniform, but the rebel, what to do? The rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. It's a different clothes also. They wear different clothes with you. Okay. When anybody wears fantastic clothes, when anybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly, simple and sober. You will hear the word sober, simple and sober, like that word also. In the company of dog lovers, if you are sitting with a company of dog lovers, those people who love to dog, but the rebel expresses a preference for cats, but the rebel wants to, and the rebel likes to for the cats. If you are like dog, rebel like opposite for the cats. In the company of cat lovers, if you are sitting with the cat lovers also, then the rebel puts in a good word for the dogs, because rebel that a person who always opposite you and who always disagrees you. Okay. When everybody is praising the sun, when everybody in a society praising the sun, but the rebel remarks on the need for the rain. But the rebel wants to need for the rain because always be opposite to you. Okay. So the next line is, we will discuss next line also. When everybody is greeting the sun, when everybody wants to greeting the rain, when everybody wants to praising the rain, when anybody wants to like rain, but the rebel regrets, but the rebel feels that the absence of sun. Rebels missing the absence of sun because everybody likes to greeting the rain. Next line, when everybody goes to the meeting, when in a society, in your house and with your friends also, if everybody goes to the meeting, then what to do the rebels? Rebel stays at home because everybody goes to the meeting. That's why rebel stays at home and reads a book alone. Next line, when everybody stays at home, when everybody wants to silence in his or her life, their life, and reads a book, the rebel goes to meeting because always he opposite to you. He wants to dislikes to your activity also. Okay. So when everybody says yes please, if you are offering something that you would say, you would like to say yes please, right? The rebel says no thank you, but that time the rebel says no thank you. And when everybody says no thank you, when the requirement of no thank you, the rebel says yes please, because it's a opposite, it's a disagrees to you always. The rebel says yes please. It is very good. It is a very good thing that we have rebels, because why? It is a very, very helpful to our life. And how to do help with our life also, because if your life, the rebel has any rebel has no in your life, then you cannot understand what to do. You do things right or wrong also. Okay, that's why it is a very good thing. Always we have a rebel also, and we have a rebels too. You may not find it very good to be one, right? If you are confusing and if you are always rebels against to you, so that's why you understand what are the things that to do. This is a wrong or right. Okay, so this is all about a poem, The Rebel. The rebel, the meaning in Hindi, Vidrohi. He is that person who opposes to you and who disagrees to you. Okay, I hope you are clear to you this poem, and we have discussed the next chapter in a next video. So, and you also please subscribe and like in my video on YouTube channel. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.